Hi guys, and welcome to our podcast. Today we're going to discuss one of the hottest sectors in Wall Street, the cannabis sector. In April of this year, West Virginia became the 29th state in which the use of marijuana, for medical purposes of course, is legal. This development reflects two major trends: the desire of people to legalize cannabis and the rapid growth of the legal marijuana sector. So why investing in marijuana? Forget about getting high and making joints. We're talking about business and investing. The use of medical marijuana has been known to humanity for thousands of years, virtually. Why not invest in this opportunity? What are the main reasons for it? Are there any pitfalls down the road? Which are the best stocks in the market? The first reason is cannabis is becoming legal in more and more places. The more states and countries accept marijuana, the more clients and customers there are. This consequently will increase the demand, and you can make a profit as an early investor. America definitely supports the legalization of marijuana. A Gallup 2016 survey revealed that 60% of Americans would like to see weed legal. In the distant 1969, only 12% of people backed up marijuana. However, some 26 years later, in 1995, the percent increased to 25%. The 2013 and 2015 polls show that 58% of the U.S. citizens supported the idea. This shows that it's not a day-to-day process, but rather a process spanning decades. Another reason is the medicinal use of marijuana. As previously mentioned, this drug has been in use for thousands of years as a medicine. In this article, Business Insider has listed more than 20 conditions which marijuana improves or alleviates. Some of them include epileptic seizures, glaucoma, slow metabolism, etc. Invest in the industry's phenomenal growth. The legal marijuana market is expanding rapidly. According to an ArcView market research in 2016, legal cannabis sales reached $6.7 billion, a 30% increase compared to 2015. The sector is expected to grow by 25% through 2021. Bloomberg predicts that the industry will reach $50 billion by 2026. Its novelty as an investment opportunity is definitely one of the reasons to invest in the sector. Real estate, bonds, gold, and funds, these all are traditional investment options. Indeed, buying stocks of companies dealing with cannabis is riskier, but also promises a higher profit. Even though all of the above-mentioned reasons sound solid, we have to try to be as objective as possible. There are so many dark rooms in the house that investors should be warned about, in addition to the regular mistakes of investors. Keep in mind that there are many people who oppose the complete legalization of marijuana. The same research showed that 60% of Americans back up the use of medical or recreational cannabis, revealed that Arizona voted against. What's more, not surprisingly, only 45% of senior citizens, above 55, support legal pot. Another thing to think about is the murky past of this sector. Apparently, there's a transition process going on, from the black market to a relatively regulated and legal sector. A large number of the stocks are traded on unregulated exchanges. This increases the possible profitability, as well as the related risks. Also, there are many scammers out there waiting to steal your money. Here's a link to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission warning on investing in cannabis. In addition, as any growing market, the legal pot industry is virtually hatching newer and newer companies every day. They all want a piece of the cake, but this cake is not a renewable source of money. After discussing some pros and cons, let's see the best stocks out there. The first company is Cara Therapeutics. Biotech company Cara Therapeutics specializes in drugs which alleviate pain and pruritus. Now this means itching. Currently, the firm is in the process of developing a marijuana-based drug. The company boasts a market cap of $525 million. In May this year, the price of the company shares increased by 17%, only for a week. What makes this share so special? Well, the company is well established, and people seem to trust them. Another great stock is Scott's Miracle Grow Company. This one is an unexpected choice. The company sells and manufactures lawn and garden care products, including a pesticide which kills insects on plants. They also manufacture different tools to help people grow cannabis. The market cap is almost $5 billion, and the earnings per share stands at 4.66. The company showed great financial performance during the first quarter. AbbVie Inc. is another interesting option. Even though this pharmaceutical company does not strictly specialize in cannabis-containing products, it has launched a drug based on marijuana, Marinol. This product is approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Advi has a market cap of $110.7 billion, a price-to-earnings ratio of 16.8, and earnings per share of $3.86 as of June 2016. Bottom line. Investors tend to foresee trends and make the best use of them. Undoubtedly, the marijuana sector has been hot for some years now, but the difference between baking and burning is sometimes crucial. Before investing, do your homework. Research the market and the companies you'd like to put your money into. That's it for now. On our website, you can find more posts, as well as investment calculators and other financial tools. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our podcast channel on YouTube. We would love to know your thoughts on this fast-evolving sector, so feel free to share them in the comments below.